Hello kids. Today, let's learn some fun facts about cows. Cows are gentle animals that live on farms and give us milk. They eat grass and chew it slowly all day long. Cows have 4 stomachs to help them digest their food. Did you know? A cow's sound is called a moo. But sometimes it sounds like a meow. Listen carefully. This is the special cow meowing sound. Isn't that funny? Not just cats can meow. Cows use sounds to talk to each other and their babies. Every cow has its own voice. Just like you and me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun animal sounds.